Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. ITP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am going to discuss about into word. Let's start. Into a preposition word. Into the pool. A man into the pool. Into the end and start of the two grammatical element. Okay. He dove into the pool. Two separate words that happen to be next to each other. Next example, he jumped into the swimming pool. Next, I poured the milk into a glass. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe it and like it for new video.